We're always very conscious when we design anything of the person on top of the ladder. This follows the JCC ethos of designing things with electricians for electricians. The X50 is an update of a typical LED downlight. We modified the components of a standard downlight and improved on them. We've improved in several areas. On a traditional downlight, these spring clips would be mounted on the extreme of the diameter of the can. And we thought it would be easier to get the product into the ceiling by moving this mounting point inwards so that when the clips are in the up position, they're inside that cylinder. We found that this works much better for the installer. It's much easier to get it into the ceiling and retrieve it when you need to. The mains connection for the X50 is a two-part plug-and-play connector system. This enables the electrician to do the resistance and the CPC tests without the fitting being in circuit. You would attach the cables here, and we have a cover here which, when you lift it up, gives you access to 3 holes where you can put your test probes, and those components will attach themselves to it and hold it in place. The beauty of that being you're not constantly holding something in place and trying to operate your test equipment with one hand. We've moved to using an improved lever style terminal block. Now the idea of these is you put the cable in at the front and then you bring the lever down, and it's a very secure method of ensuring that the mains cable stays in place. One of the great things about this design is once it's up in the ceiling, the only thing that the electrician or the end user can see is the bezel and the lens. When you want to make some changes, there's simply a little twist and lock motion, simple, and you remove the bezel, and that reveals the inner workings of the X50. You'll see 2 switches. One is for the wattage, one is for the colour temperature. One of the things end users and installers hate is the dreaded callback. What we're trying to do here is make sure that when that goes in the ceiling, the electrician hasn't got to go back there unless it's to install some more. That's what it's all about. It's the quality and the longevity of the product. Will it last the test of time? And the answer to that is yes, it will.